Gold begins its journey far from vaults and markets. It arrives here as raw ore, dense, unrefined, and visually unremarkable. Its value is hidden inside stone formed over millions of years. Each fragment is inspected and sorted, not by appearance, but by weight, structure, and density. Experience identifies potential where nothing seems visible. Once approved, the ore enters the system. From this point forward, every step is controlled, measured, and irreversible. There is no shortcut to purity. The first transformation is forceful. Steel jaws crush stone into smaller fragments. Nature's permanence gives way to industrial precision. Those fragments are ground further, reduced to fine powder. This exposes microscopic traces of gold locked within the material. The process becomes methodical. The powdered ore moves through sealed transfer systems. Nothing is wasted. Even the smallest particles carry value. Chemistry now takes control. The powder is mixed into slurry and treated to dissolve gold away from waste. Time, temperature, and balance must remain exact. Gold begins to separate, not as solid metal, but as suspended particles within liquid, almost invisible, yet unmistakably present. Pressure removes what no longer matters. Waste drains away. The remaining concentrate grows heavier and denser. This dark concentrate contains the future bars, still impure, still unstable, but undeniably closer to gold. Moisture is removed completely. Any remaining water would compromise the next stage. Precision becomes mandatory. Extreme heat transforms concentrate into liquid. Temperatures exceed 1,000 degrees. Gold separates fully, abandoning every impurity. For the first time, gold becomes unmistakable, molten, luminous, and heavy. Its color signals purity before testing confirms it. The liquid gold is poured into calibrated molds. Each mold is measured. Each bar must meet exact standards. As the metal cools, structure forms. The glow fades. Value solidifies. The emerging bars are unfinished, still bearing marks of the process that shaped them. Imperfections are removed. Edges sharpen, surfaces become uniform. Every bar is tested. Weight, density, and purity are verified. Only 24-karat gold passes. Each bar receives its identity. Purity marks and serial numbers turn metal into a tracked asset. The final surface is polished. The familiar luster appears. Not decorative, definitive. Finished bars are secured immediately. From here, they enter global circulation, vaults, reserves, and markets. What began as stone becomes one of the world's most trusted stores of value, unchanging, recognized everywhere. This is not luxury by design. It is value earned through process.